A very good evening, everyone. Am I audible to you?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Screen visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So before I start teaching you with the code, today, as all of you may know that, according to the roadmap, what we have to do for today is we have to build UI components for user authentication. That means we have to build UI components for user authentication like the login, registration, etc. As well as we have to connect it with our backend so that when we provide our details in the front end inside the required fields, that is our UI, it will provide the data to the backend and the backend will respond to us with the required output. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So before starting with our code, I want you people to make these two backend and front end folders. And if you people remember, in the second week we have worked with our backend, right?
Yeah.
Like the user authentication, registration, login, etc. things, isn't it?
Yes.
So go to that folder where you have all these data like the config, middleware, models, routes, as well as server. Over there, create another folder that is the front end, and inside the src folder, add two folders that is the component as well as context. And within these two folders, make these files. Do it fast and let me know whether you people have completed. Inform me once you people have completed doing that. So can we proceed further if people have created all the files? Hello. I guess I am audible to all.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So go to your VS Code and then go to your admin panel.jsx. Over here, what I will do, I will create an admin panel. Got it? So for that, I will import a couple of hooks that are use state as well as use effect. You people are clear with whatever I am doing right now, right? We have done with these things in the previous classes.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I request all of you, if you do not get anything at a point, just let me know so that I can explain it to you people. Somebody tell me, why do we use the fetch method?
Calling APIs.
I'm sorry, please repeat.
Calling the APIs.
Yeah. And over here, what I will do, I will provide a URL.
You can use Axios also, no, ma'am?
Yes, we can also use it. I have taught it to you in the previous class, right?
Yes, miss.
So my port number is 5000 and my endpoints will be API admin, and then we'll provide users. So that I will provide a function where headers will have authorization keyword, and over here I will provide bearer, local storage dot get item. Yeah. Okay. Somebody explain me what is happening over here. I told you in the previous class while teaching you user authentication.
It will get the token number which was generated at the time of registration for that.
Exactly. In JWT, what we have in the header, we have our authorization, right? The authorization consists of a bearer as well as a token. Bearer is the prefix, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So here I will provide a comma, and after that I will close the parenthesis, and then I will provide dot then statement. Then I will respond with
Response arrow function response dot data.
response dot JSON.
JSON.
And
Response
then
dot data.
I will provide the data. I will set the user with the provided data. Else, if I get the error, I will use the catch statement. And the error I will provide in the console. And after that what I will do? I will provide an array, right?
An array for first equation.
Yeah. And after that, I will return
And set
a
users.
div tag
Yeah.
having h2 header as the admin panel. And after the header, I will provide an unordered list. And within this unordered list, I will provide users dot tell me what is the function that I have to use
Yeah.
in order to manipulate the data.
Map.
Element equals to element that ID.
No, dear, I will use the map function. And within this map function, I will make my list as t is equal to
User
user,
dot
yeah,
Right.
dot underscore
ID.
id. And after that, what I will provide my username. Provided my user's role. No. Please switch off your mic. Mosam, please switch off your mic. So our admin panel is done. And finally, what we have to do, we have to export it. Export default admin panel. After that,
And that's
did all of you write up to here?
set users. Repeat.
Okay, set user, right? I have to use set user. So can I move to the dashboard?
Also, ma'am, that use map you done. That is user.map.
User dot map.
Okay. Okay. So in the dashboard, what I will provide, I will import use auth. Can somebody tell me why do we use it? So it has to be something from the auth context.js. Got it? What I will do in the auth context.js? Any guesses?
The logged in person is authorized or not.
Yeah. So just let's go to the user auth context.js, and over there I will use
Create.
some of, just a second, I will use a hook, and tell me what hook do I use in order to pass data from one file to another file.
Use context.
Yeah. So I will provide import,
Create context.
yeah, create context as well as use context, as well as another hook, use state from React. And after that, I will provide const auth context
equals to create
Good. Create context function. And then let me export here only. Export const auth. Just a second. Auth provider is equal to, I'll provide children, and then it has to be an arrow function, and within the arrow function I will provide const a couple of hook. This user and set user, and after that tell me what will I write.
use state.
Yes, and within this I will provide the value null. What happened? Is anybody raising their hands? And then what I will do, I will set the user with user data, isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
This is for our login purpose. And for the logout purpose, what I will do?
Setting the state as null.
Yeah. And this has to be empty. I will set user as null. And after that, I will return tell me what I have to write over here. It's visible on the screen only.
Or context dot provider.
Our condition
And how does it perform? What does it do?
value equals to
Children.
which we need to send proc by apps.
Yeah. User as well as login and
Logout.
logout. And over here, just a second.
Children.
What I will do, I will provide the children. After that, I'll provide export const use auth is equal to return use context, and within the context what I will provide auth context.
Ma'am, that auth context dot provider, we should not have space between them. No?
Where?
Auth context dot provider space.
Yeah, we should not have the space between them. Done?
Yes.
Okay. Everybody is with me, right? We have done till here.
Yeah.
So where will we move now? We will go to our dashboard. Let's design a dashboard. I'll import my use auth from context folder, and within the context I have auth context. And from here I will provide const dashboard is equal to, with an arrow function, over here I will find the user. Tell me what will I use now?
Use context.
And after that I will return with a div tag with a heading. Tell me what I have to write in the heading. I will provide welcome. After welcome, I will provide user
User that
followed by, yeah, if the user name. If the user is true, then it will execute the name. Which operator is this?
ternary.
Territory.
Yeah. And it works like if else statement. And I will provide that your rule is user with a ternary operator followed by rule. This is what my dashboard has, followed by an export statement. For dashboard. Skip it. Okay. Let's move to our login part. Tell me what hooks do I have to import over here? The general hooks.
Use context.
Okay.
Use state. Use it.
I will at first import the use state from React, as well as I will import.
Link. Use navigate.
No, I will, use navigate. I will import
Custom hook. Google login.
No, I will not I'm not providing Google login over here. You can add your Google login to your project. Got it? We'll import it from the React DOM. And finally, I will import use auth from the context auth context. And then I will write a function const login. What do you people think that I will use over here?
Set farm data. Username, my email, password. Use state. Object open. Object open. Email empty string.
I will provide the password. The most common things that we use while login, right?
Yes.
And after that, I will make another variable const
Error.
login. With login, I will add the use auth function. And after that, I will provide const navigate is equal to use navigate.
Ma'am, use that the function.
Yeah,
Tag
yeah. It has to be a function. Use navigate as well. And finally, I will provide const. There has to be a message. Set message.
initial state.
Equal to use state. What are you const and will change.
Event. Fire a function. Event that prevent default.
Send form data. And within the form data, I will provide
Name is to value.
form data. After that, e dot target dot name will be whatever name will be e dot target
Dot value.
dot value. What does this basically mean?
Which we enter in form data like email, no ma'am. It will be stored.
And the name will take the value from the form, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So this spread operator is used to merge two things, right?
Yes. Deep copy operation.
Yeah.
E dot prevent
So
default.
this
ma'am.
is I will do it. Just a second. So here we are done up to our handle change function. And after that, what I will do, I will provide my const. I will provide submit. Submit.
Handle submit.
Async with e e dot prevent
Default.
const respond is equal to await, and after that I will use the fetch function again, and
We need to
I will
try.
copy the same. Aditya, please repeat.
We need to use try catch black in async wait. ma'am.
Yeah, we can use it, but I'm not using it over here.
Okay.
I will paste my link. And in the place of users, what I will write?
Form. Comma
I will
form.
provide API auth, and I'll provide the endpoint as login. After that,
Comma form.
I will provide method.
Post.
Tell me, what is the method do we provide?
Post.
Because it's more secure, isn't it?
If we use
Having
the
the
access,
headers.
it is easy, ma'am.
Your voice is cutting, Aditya.
If we use Axios, it is easy, ma'am, for writing code. Axios.post and URL.form data.
Okay. So just do a thing, add it in your project. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
And if you people know that you are having your project review on 25th, I guess.
Yeah, ma'am.
Are you people done till there?
I'm facing some issues with the Google.
Tell me, why do we use this Stringify.
Objects into strings, converting them.
Yeah.
In backend,
And
we
is
use
there isn't anybody except Aditya inside the class who's studying? Wait, I will ask you people difficult questions on the day of review. Wait.
That you mentioned respond over there. Response.
And actually, you're using this respond in the 17th line.
In solo.
And if the response is okay, it will provide us with the login function. Within that, it will provide the user. As well as it will navigate the data dot user dot role admin. So triple equal to is used to check the value as well as the data type, right?
Check
No.
of it.
with equality function.
So here the logic is simple. If the user's role is admin, then it will take us to the admin endpoint, and if it is not the admin, instead it is user, then it will take us to the dashboard. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Else what I will do, I will provide set message with data.message. After that, I will return a div tag, and within the div tag, I will provide a header with a login. I will create. Tell me what I will create over here. What do we need? A form. Huh?
The login
Email and
form with email and
email.
password.
Form tag.
Yeah. And over there, I will provide an event on submit.
Submit.
On submit equals to handle submit.
But inside the on submit, I will provide handle submit. I will provide input with type
Equals to email.
as email, and then I will provide the name as email,
Value equals to form.email.
and also I'll provide the placeholder as the email. After that,
Required.
I will provide on change function, like on change attribute, and within the on change attribute, I will pass the function handle change,
Handle change.
and finally I will provide required.
Value equals to form.email.
You didn't use the value.
No, we will not use the value over here. After that, I'll make I'll provide another input for password.
Password.
Well, in the placeholder, I will provide the password. And lastly, I will provide the button.
Submit.
इटरेटिव वाटरफॉल मॉडल जो है सिर्फ इंक्रीमेंटल भी हो जाए ना
And within the submit, I will write
iterative or increment.
the form is closed. And after that, I'll provide a message.
And operator.
And then, and P,
Welcome.
within the P, I will provide message.
Welcome to login page.
And lastly, what I will do, just a second. This complete thing I placed in the wrong place that you have to place inside the function.
Nein, keine. Mit so Formen.
What I will do, I will export it, right? So let's move to our logout page.
Import use auth.
Okay. Import. Use navigate. Logout. Tell me, why are we using the navigate function to take us take it? Tell me.
Navigate to login page. After the they're using the logout page.
To carry the process of navigation from one page to another page.
Another page. For example, after login, we can go to the dashboard page like that.
Yeah.
If you click on the logout button, it has to navigate to the login, right?
No, if we if we click on the logout button, it will take us to the logout page. That is a different page. Got it? It will not. I'm not allowing it to take us to the login page again. After that, I will make a nav bar. Tell me, what do I have to import? The most common thing.
Import React component from React.
Link route
No.
routes.
Link. That I will return. A nav tag. After that, for link tags. Within the link tag, what attribute do we use? Tell me.
2.
What else do we have? Profile.
File dashboard.
Yeah, I will add the dashboard. No, I will keep it profile. After that, I will provide the dashboard as well. I guess you people have completed till here. The nav bar. Yeah, right? Can I move further to the profile?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Now what else do I have used?
It is a mystery. Yes. Basically, visual effects polar component. Max of the component. More discrete only by a vacuum more of it.
Tell me, why do we use it? The local storage.
To store
As
and
the token is storage
Local
in
storage is used to
we
store a
have
token
to
in
Single
your
answer,
website,
single answer.
web browser.
One by one.
Local storage is used to
Just
store
a second,
our token in
Aditya.
a
Aditya,
web
you
browser.
stop. Yes, Swayam, repeat.
Local storage is used to store our token in a web browser.
Okay.
It's a backup full because
After providing the token, what I have response. Instead of API admin users, they will provide auth and profile. Tell me, why have I mentioned fetch profile over here? Let me take the name. Swayam, you tell. Swayam, you tell.
I think fetch profile is used to fetch a profile from the user.
Any other answer? Yes, tell Aditya.
It is a function which you return in a bool and
Which will return?
in above as a function expression we have wrote it no ma'am. Fetch profile. Fetching
Yeah.
the profile from a route.
We have
From
mentioned exactly. We have mentioned the function above, that is the async function, in which we provided token response as well as the header. So what it is doing, it is fetching the profile, right? It is called the function calling.
yes, ma'am. which we wrote in the form of function expression.
After that, I will return a div tag, and within the div, I will provide a header, a profile, and if the user is true, then paragraph will be welcome. User dot name, and after that, after the p tag, I will provide. What has happened?
Slow charge is battery খারাপ হয়ে আছে এরে লো ঘরে বাবা का डॉक्टर দিয়ে होला বাবা ডাক্তার দিকে और मजा পড়লে আর তো তোমাদের বিপদ চলছে Stepan to sto kottao di mare.
So tell me, what function will I provide in my protected route?
If the user was login, registered and login, then only you need to show the all login, this dashboard and all.
Exactly.
Else we cannot show that all part of without register.
So in
and
order
login.
to access all the function, at first what the user has to do, it has to log in inside the website. Just a second, guys. Okay.
चालू बैठियो अभी जो ट्रेड है खाली पूरा पूरा maybe just some कौन लेके रख दे ऐसे कौन है कि नॉट अपन में नहीं का मेरे वो इलेक्ट्रिक का ही है तापर आगे क्या बस बाबा सुना तो पूरा चल पड़े मेरे पास सिर्फ आसु कोरट नहीं बाबा मुझे वो चार्जर आने वाला मेरी बैटरी वाली को ए रॉ मत टेंशन को चुका
So what do you understand? Did we do over here?
With the token present, we need to log in this.
Yeah. And after that, what do we have? We are having a register.
Most essentially, soil purchase we not got a soil purchase, we soil purchase. I could think on the not a high only. Come on, Paria de those are lucky to tell you, those are so kick. Most Baba, things on the Japan's like million last year's.
Form data, set form data.
Command the question about the kind to receive a video to become.
Use state.
Tomorrow, I'm the job of the Mati. Sit the command coach to say so.
After name, I will provide email.
Role.
After email, I will provide password.
Role.
And after password, I will provide the role. And inside the role, I will provide user.
As a default.
And user is the default role.
So I original.
And after that, I will provide a message.
Ma'am, for the login page, should there be an option to select between admin and user roles during login?
Yeah, it will provide us with the, we use select tag in HTML, right? Over there, what did we have? We had a drop down, isn't it?
Okay. Sure, thank you.
So it will provide us with the user as well as the admin over there as a drop down. Got it?
Oh, okay, ma'am, thank you.
Or we can use in register form as a radio button.
Yeah, we can use the radio buttons as well. And for the radio button, a necessary thing is that you have to keep the name different. Only then you can choose only one radio button. Otherwise, you can choose couple of radio buttons, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Saraswati Puja dress. What a time. Keep my sport a plastic before you come or color in it. So, it's not. I'm going to Baba. Mommy, mommy. Sure. No Saraswati Puja dress, charger. So last birthday on the video put the same dress. It then come sari cup, sari. No, I don't know. All our phone calling that Mr. You high salary. Saturday, Sunday. You high the delivery and everything. Every after that, students get up to Jim. Jipu, not a good lady. Oh, Baba, married.
Now we need to send form data.
Yeah. And over here, the method also we will put as post.
Classical waterfall model, iterative waterfall model, or different sequence model, electrical model. Everyone fighting. Yeah. Oh, try to be mad. Astronaut is a result most important things. So, what is it? Oh, yeah, down.
Tell me the event that I have to specify over here.
Submit.
On submit and submit.
For the name, what should be the type?
Name
Text.
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 text name equals to text. Enter a name.
Just a second. This will not be the input tag. As I told you people, we will get a drop down, right? So in order to get a drop down, we use the select tag.
Yes, no.
What tag do we place inside the select tag? Tell me.
Option.
Option tag.
As well as what else do we have to provide over here? We have to provide a button.
With the form.
Yeah. What then into process clip. ସେଇ ନାକି କହିଲା ମଡର୍ନ ପଚାରିକି ନେଇଛୁ ତୁ କି ଜାଣିଲୁ ଦଉନଥିଲା ମାନେ କହିଲା ମଡର୍ନ ପଚାରି ମାନେ ଦଉନଥିଲା ନାକି କହିଲା ପଚାରିକି ନେଇଛୁ କହିଲା
Actually, export default register it should be. And finally, what we have to provide, we'll have to go to our app.jsx file, isn't it? Okay, so in our app.jsx, I have already provided all these things. Are people able to see? It's already 8, isn't it?
It's 9.
Sorry, it's 9. So you people want me to run the code today only, or we can run it tomorrow?
We can run tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay, so you people are allowed to leave the meeting. Ask me the doubt if anyone would have.
Yes, ma'am.
Up to user authentication in front end okay now, ma'am, for project review.
I didn't understood, Aditya. What are you trying to say?
In front end, we up to user authentication enough, no, ma'am.
In
We
front
need to-
end, it's not enough up to user authentication. You have to build your project as a complete front end as well as back end, right? So
Yes,
in
ma'am.
front end, you have to provide different components, such as you can provide the nav bar as well as the banner and
Yes,
many different things. Suppose you are making a website for your food application, for instance, so you can provide the explore menu,
Yes.
inside which you can provide different functions like provide 2 to 3 types of salads, and over
Yes.
there you can navigate to 1 to 2 things. Like that you can provide multiple components in your front end. So only user authentication is not enough.
Yes, ma'am. For project review.
Yeah. For project review, make it sure that you people add 2 to 3 more things. Got it? With respect to your project. Am I clear? So you people can leave the meeting now.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Arjun.
Ma'am, actually, I was not present
Yeah,
for
Arjun.
Google or ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah,
Hello.
you are audible.
Ma'am, actually, I wasn't present during the Google Auth session, and the recording for the session is also not complete. And also, there is the code provided by the team is a little bit different from that you taught in the YouTube recording. So, where can I get the access of the code base for the lectures?
The team has provided you the code. You only tell me.
Okay, so now I was talking about Google Auth. They only told about this basic file structure and some of the repository matlab, code, but rest of it was covered in your lecture. But there was a little bit of difference in the file structure, so I was a bit confused.
Where did you find the difference?
In the file structure mainly, there were things that
See,
you had
in the
used.
YouTube,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, speak.
No, no, ma'am.
See, whatever file structure I had in the YouTube video, just go through it and follow it. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any GitHub repository for the in the code you have written or what?
The team is already on its way to develop a GitHub repository. You will get all the code over there only, but you have to wait for it.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
if you want me to provide the whole code, then I will provide it to the team, and the team will provide it to you. Got it?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
All right. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.